Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're still on the rotary spark gap, the building of. We've got the scroll saw motor and the rotating plate and the face plate. I decided to go with the metal plate, but I chopped that much out of it. I've got this left to paint. Yeah, I chopped that much out of it so that I've not got so much metal in the way when I'm wiring it up. So this will go on like so. Let me just headbutt it further. So I'll be giving this, let me have a look in the screw box. Some screws. 1, 2, 3 washers. I think that'll be too short. Slide that up there a minute so you can see. Just looking through this pot of screws for the right. Oh yeah, that one will do. I'm just test fitting everything at the moment because I haven't test fitted it yet. What I do, I've got a sort of thing where I'll paint something before I've test fitted things, and then I'll have to just leave it alone until the paint's dry. There's 2. Need 1 more. Is there going to be one? There's my head in shot. Can you see my boldness? Yeah. There's 1. Perfect. So we've got 3. That's an old top to one of my many Tesla coils that I've made. Put that out of the way. Did I just put those? No, I just put them back in there like. I'll take everything off again now. Just take that off. Just find the washers. There's 2. The small washers always drop straight to the bottom, don't they? I've only just thrown them out already. Here we go. And there's the screws in my hand. Let's not put them back in here. That's what I have to start all over again. Sorry about that, guys. Take it, and gals, if there's any ladies watching. So then these will go through into the motor. Hopefully these will be spot on. Oh, there it is. Yes. Forgot to put the washers on. So there's 1. maybe I've said that and I haven't put the last one in yet. I'm not normally very good at drilling holes accurately, but wow, that's really good. So we'll tighten those down. I'm amazed. I'm not normally very good at, I've already said that, precise drilling. Now, I got these off Amazon thanks to Remy Terjanian. I think I've pronounced that right, I'm not sure. These are what are going to hold the disc, the rotating disc. There's going to be 4 electrodes on this and 4 electrodes on this piece. I've already drilled the holes, so we'll just put that to one side and we will start to put this together. I was hoping to get one on the back and one on the front, but I don't think that's going to happen, to be fair. I know these screws are way too long as well, but I will be cutting them down. There we go. So then I wanted to put this on as well. I need to just, there we go, that piece is gone. There's one in. 10, 3, wow. Oh, this last one, I shouldn't have said wow too soon. That one was a bit stiff. Right, so they'll go in like so. And there'll be a washer, sorry, a nut on each on this side. Let me see if they fit or if I've got to get some different nuts. Oh, they're locking nuts too. I'm going to have to get different nuts. I was hoping to use these because they have the grip on the back that locks it in place when it's on. I'll have to get some little locking washers or some Loctite. But that's gripping it for the time being, so that should fit on there. I will be getting some screws that are right length. There's still room for that to go down. I think I might have to think of something else. Unless I have really small, if I use that and just completely countersunk it in so that it was flush, I'm only going to have to use, yeah, stuck on the wood. The wood needs the hole drilling a bit better. I think it'll still work, I just won't be able to, yeah, that'll grip on there like so. I'll just have to have quite short electrodes like that. But obviously they'll be that way, and this will be the piece that's rotating. Yeah, so I need to, I wonder if I could get some without this square piece on. I'll have a look online. So they're going in that way up, and then the bottom ones will go that way up. So there'll be 4. Oh, that's got a good hole. Oh, that's a bit hard. There's another. So they'll be going like that, and then the top will have the same. Yeah, so if I get them that are, if I get some more that are round without this square piece, or I could countersink this so that they, yeah, I think I'll countersink this. It'll be easier than spending more money on bolts. So that's basically the setup so far. This is going to have a 20mm metal ring all the way around here to make all of these conductive, and this will have 2 wires from one from the LC circuit and the other 2 wires going to this one, so every time a bolt passes it'll fire the spark gap. So that's as far as I've got. I'm hopefully getting the metal ring soon, and that's how it'll work. So it will work. We've tested it now. It'll definitely work. I just need to lower these so that they're actually sunk into the wood, and then I'll obviously be probably cutting about that much off, or I'll get some smaller bolts. It'll be cheap to cut them though, so that'll probably be the best bet. Oh, that one's got stop. So when I've got an update, when I've got some different bolts and I'll cut these down, I'll come back to you and we'll should hopefully be able to test the spark gap next time. I'm not sure whether we'll be able to test the actual spark gap, but I'll be able to test this is balanced and doesn't make this vibrate. I'm going to be looking for some rubber mountings for this, so that when it's going, if there is a little tiny bit, it won't rattle the cabinet to pieces. Like little engine mountings for the bottom of here. When I eventually find some, I need to look for some of those as well. So this is it so far. Obviously that'll be flush with nice right size bolts and locking washers. That's finished. Apart from I need to countersink these holes. So when I've got some more progress to show you, I will update you. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you find the video useful. Thank you.